This car is a really sweet car. Today, well not specifically today, this year is its 50th birthday.
Cool.
1964. My dad got this car for my sisters and I when we got our license.
Yeah.
And we needed to learn how to drive standard according to him. So, he got this for us.
Because every girl should know how to drive standard.
Oh yes, so true.
And we used it for our wedding. And then Dad wanted to sell the car, but then we protested so much, he thought about it and decided to give it to us in the spirit of generosity, to inspire generosity within us as well.
Right on. That's good. Awesome.
So this car is raising funds for Home of Grace.
Oh, even better. Cool. Okay. And what about this car over here?
This car?
Yeah.
It's just
Looks
a
pretty good.
white car.
Oh yeah.
Hey, there's our neighbor.
Steering wheel's on the wrong side.
Oh yeah. They fixed that?
They haven't fixed that. I don't know. It was a defect from the factory or something. Came all the way from Japan, and Neil Renson imported it a couple years ago. I buy them real cheap in Japan, and then you just pay for the import, and you get yourself a real nice car.